use the with countries that include the words republic, kingdom or states in their name. I think in the beginning also I referred this particular rule that the United States. There was one controversy also, why the United States and why not the India. The reason or the logic is this, that use the with the countries that include the words republic, kingdom or states in their names. So if I say the Republic India, in that case we are bound to use the, and that's why the United States and the Republic of Ireland. I think this is also a rare occasion wherein we refer these things. Sorry. The next one is yeah, this is another rule. Use the with newspaper names. The Times of India, the Indian Express, the Hindu. And most of these are English newspapers, you can say that. The public one. So this is also an occasion oftenly we are going to use it. So please pay attention to this also, that you are not going to use indefinite articles here, but the definite one, that's the. Yeah, this is this is where you need to pay attention to more, because when not to use the unnecessarily. I have observed many speakers, those who are from Marathi medium, unnecessarily I have observed they use articles, and mostly the, where it is not necessary or it is redundant to use. Unnecessarily, wrongly we use the. So where are the situation? These are the situations wherein you need not use the. Do not use the with names of countries. For example, India, Germany, Japan, France. We are not supposed to use the France or the India or the Germany. No, doesn't matter, because already it's a proper noun. Already it's a proper noun. The next occasion wherein you need not use the, do not use the with the names of languages. You are not supposed to say the Marathi, the English. But there are certain situations wherein you are going to use the, you will come to know in the due course of time. So don't use the English or the Marathi or the Hindi or the Telugu or the Urdu. Do not use the with the names of meals. You know, meals, breakfast, lunch, refreshment, supper. Don't say the lunch. Just say dinner, lunch, breakfast, snack and supper. Supper means that we take at night. Snack means that we take after maybe 4 p.m. Breakfast, you all know, in the morning. Lunch in the afternoon. Dinner and supper, they are almost equal, because we do dinner and supper at night. So do not use the.
Sir,
Yes. So these are the rules wherein you are not supposed to use the. Another rule is, do not use the after the possessive case. Now what is this possessive case? That shows belongingness. Whose mobile phone is this? It is mine. So mine is the possessive case. Or Aryan's mobile. So Aryan's is the possessive case. That is apostrophe s. So don't use the in front of such possessive case. Subjective case, objective case we will learn when we will discuss voice. His father's wish. Don't say the his father's wish, right? My friend's book. Do not use the with professions. Now professions means teaching is my profession. So don't say the teaching is a challenging profession. But there is certain situation, particular one, we can use the teaching. But as we have already discussed this particular rule. So teaching is a challenging profession, and let me tell you, yes it is. There are very less people they want to enter teaching field. Forget about money. There are so many people that they spread rumors that we teachers are not paid properly. No. If you have good skill, if you have good command over your subject, and if you like to facilitate understanding of your listeners, you welcome to this particular profession, teaching. But most of the time we are not at all interested, because we know that nobody likes to listen. And that's why people dare not to enter this profession. So teaching is a challenging profession, and besides that there are so many smart people nowadays. Now technology is helping you out. So before we can teach you, you know that particular thing already. So you are not in the position, you are not in the mental state to receive what we are going to teach. Or sometimes whatever syllabus we teach, it becomes outdated. And the YouTube or maybe the Google Baba or Wikipedia, they tell you everything which is advanced. So you don't feel any interest in listening to what we do. And that's why Teaching is a challenging process. And now see what Corona has done. Corona has completely changed the scenario of teaching. Face to face, wherein we can tap you guys that keep quiet, don't talk. But here we can simply unmute or mute you with the help of technology. We can make you understand. But again, there are some limitations of this technology also. So teaching is really a challenging task. Fine. And what makes it challenging? When we will meet face to face, we will discuss. Let us think about this particular rule, that don't use the in front of the names of profession. Do not use the with uncountable nouns. I think directly or indirectly we have discussed this. When we discussed that it has to be used in front of countable nouns. So rice is a staple food of South India, obviously. Staple food means majority of the time the farmers grow that particular rice in that area, and that's why it's a staple food, without which you can't survive like that. So it is always there in everyday meal, it is always there, and that's why it's a staple food. So rice is a staple food. Rice, not particular one, or the rice cooked by me is always delicious. In that condition you can use the. But in this situation, rice is a staple food. You are not supposed to say the rice is. Now you don't know which rice. In common, in general, it is there. So you do not use the. Yes. So this is a homework. You can simply take a screenshot of it. And once you have taken the screenshot, you can complete it at home. But don't submit it. You simply write it down when face to face. Maybe in the next month we will be meeting. You are supposed to show it to me. But your test will be conducted. I will conduct your test. When you after this session, I will give you one link, come Google form, wherein your attendance as well as your test will be taken. So you can take this. Use correct article in the following sentences. Sentence number 1 is, I don't want to watch dash movie which affects dash psychology of students. They had dash cup of tea and dash piece of bread for breakfast. Dash boy who was asking for help and dash man who helped him was seen on the ground. If you have paid attention to the logic that I have shared, this is very easy to understand. The fourth sentence is, I have dash question for all of you. Fifth one, in dash hour, he will arrive here to see if dash preparation for annual function is over. I saw dash underwater boat when I jumped into dash the pool. He is dash MLA from my region. Dash MLA is really honest. So, if you have paid attention so far with all the rules and regulations that I have shared, this particular homework is very easy for you guys to understand. So, with this particular note, this is clear. Whatever study I have made, I have given in front of you. I have shared the slides also. I hope that you must have taken the snapshot of it, and everything you will prepare from the point of view of examination. And the major reason or the purpose of learning the usage of article is that you should be able to use them very correctly in your spoken as well as written English. On this positive note, I end up this particular video. Thank you very much for listening to me very patiently, and your questions are mostly welcome. You can simply write down your questions after this video, and please listen to this video whenever you want and make it available for those who are in need. Thank you so much.